Say hello to Duo, the revolutionary 2-in-1 bag and blanket. Duo is both a fully functional bag as well as a comfortable blanket to lie on. It was designed specifically for people who want a practical, functional, and stylish solution to laying on a sandy towel at the beach. If you enjoy the beach, the outdoors, and live an active lifestyle, you need a Duo. Hi, I'm Evan, the creator of Duo. You know when you sit on the beach and get sand on your towel and maybe even everywhere else and have your things just scattered all around? The last time I found myself in that frustrating situation, I decided there had to be a better option. I've spent months developing the perfect design to make sure that Duo solves these annoyances we've all had to accept until now. As a bag, it has a large carrying space that's perfect for holding all of your necessities. 2 large zippered pockets, one on the inside and one on the outside, that keep your things secured even as you unfold Duo into a comfortable blanket. The blanket is made with a layer of padding, and it's measuring about 3 feet by 6 feet. And on top of the blanket, there's even a hidden pocket that's perfect for keeping your phone or other small items safe while you're relaxing on the beach or jumping in the ocean. Duo is lightweight, it's made from quality and environmentally friendly materials. It's water and sand resistant and 100% machine washable. Duo is ideal for those planned or unplanned trips to the beach, picnics in the park, going on hikes, laying in your backyard, watching your children's Little League games, and countless other situations. We're asking for your support today to help bring Duo to life and fund our first full production run. In exchange for your help, we're offering all of our backers a discounted rate. Thanks for taking the time to support our campaign. I hope Duo makes your beach life better and that you have a sunny day.
Hey, I just wanted to make a quick 1-minute video on the difference between the Slim and the Plus. The general overview is if you pack larger items like an electric toothbrush or an electric razor or even like a hairbrush, the Plus is going to be the better option for you. But if you pack a little bit lighter, more of a minimalist, the Slim's going to be an awesome option. Now let's get into the details. General sizing, the Plus is 10 inches by 7 inches by 3 inches deep, where the Slim is 9 inches by 5.5 inches by 2 inches deep. The difference in depth is really this pocket here on the back. It's waterproof and it comes with a TSA bag. That's really where a lot of the extra space comes in. You can fit a lot of liquids and a hairbrush or whatever larger items that you bring. When you open these up, the inside is actually very similar. The top is almost exact. The main difference is this toothbrush pocket is a little bit taller and thus being able to fit an electric toothbrush a lot easier. Then on the left you have a great pocket for deodorant or any other toiletries that are a little bit longer. Now the main difference is here on the bottom. If you go down to the Slim, you'll see that there's a pocket for random toiletries, and then also that's where your waterproof pocket is. On the Slim you can fit 2 of our bottles, where the Plus you can fit up to 7 of our gravel bottles. Then if you bump over to the Plus, down at the bottom area there's a lot of extra storage there. Different pockets for your electric razor, or if you just pack a few more toiletries, that's a great option for you. You guys are super rad. If you have any questions at all, just email us at hello@workbygravel.com.
Last year we designed a toiletry bag for the minimalist traveler, making it a more organized and easy way to travel light.
We ended up raising over $200,000, shipped toiletry bags all around the world to over 4,000 happy customers in 65 different countries, changing the way that thousands of people travel.
After a bunch of searching, we realized it was either a giant catch-all bag, a Ziploc, or a weird bathroom organizer, and that was it.
We were wondering how the crap we were going to keep our toothbrush off of our toenail clippers.
So we designed our own from scratch and launched.
Introducing the Expeditioner. We'll give you a quick run through. We've built a water-resistant pocket for your toothbrush. No one likes your toothpaste juices getting all over the rest of your stuff. If it's an electric toothbrush or a full-size toothpaste and toothbrush. Besides that, there's a perfect size pocket for your electric razor or normal razor and shaving cream. Behind that, we have a small hidden pocket for earrings and other small items. Down below, there are 3 pockets, one for deodorant, combs, or other long items, and 2 for the rest of your random toiletries. My favorite part of the bag is the water-resistant pocket. It scales the entire back of the bag, allowing you to fit 4 3-ounce bottles of liquids, or larger items like a hairbrush. We're also including a clear TSA-compliant bag, water-resistant and to be used inside the toiletry bag for a second layer of added protection. Pull it out and set it by the rest of your stuff for easy passage through airport security. And the small hook allows you to use it as a shower bag. In the back is a soft fleece pocket. It fits your passport, USB cords, or a small first aid kit. This bag does great laying on the counter, the top of the toilet, or you can hang it up. Included is a small G-hook and strap, so you can easily hang it wherever. While it's hanging, it's easy to store and grab your items. And when you're all done packing, it slides right on top of the rest of your stuff. Our poles, waterproof zippers, and all of our materials are top-notch. Don't believe us? We'll give you a lifetime warranty. And if something comes unstitched, send it back and we'll send you a new one. So whether you're on a month-long trip, traveling as a family, or on a business trip, the Expeditioner is the perfect companion to travel anywhere.
Hey, well, thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. We put together some pledges below. If you back us, we would be so pumped. And yeah, I hope we send you a package soon. Thanks so much. Hello everyone, my name is Kent from Kenai Pro Gear, and I'm going to go over today our lightweight roll top pack, the Cellaritas. As we mentioned, it has a roll top configuration for closing. The good news is that means that this bag is volume adjustable. You can actually adjust the way you secure this bag based on how much stuff you have in here. So if I were to add less in here, I could roll this guy down further. The great news how we designed it is with our Duraflex buckles on every side, you can actually click it down to the side like that for extremely secure fit. Or if you had more stuff, less stuff, however you wanted to do it, you can actually take this guy and then secure the actual flap up top as well. You can roll them all the way down and have the top flap secured that way. Then on the back here, we have super comfortable and padded symmetrical shoulder straps with an adjustable sternum strap. That way, every trip you take is a comfortable one. On the bottom, we have a nice reinforced drag handle, and we have one on top as well. And this guy is kind of packed down to be more of like a cold weather hike. So we have our Rig performance pullover, cold weather socks, cold weather hood, jeans for the hike, a little neck scarf, my issued beanie here, extra shirt, full set of thermals, both pants and top, a nice folded lightweight Dow jacket. And another great feature, you can actually fit in here a hydration pouch. So you slide this guy in, run the hose on through, and we have a hydration pass-through, so that way you can also mount your hydration bladder on the inside of the bag, keep it nice and hydrated on the hike. You can even mount one of our newer Medicus medical pouches that go right in the front here. Most importantly, before I wrap this guy up, pop the bladder out, stow this guy, just like that. Everything you see here can fit in this one little guy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Thomas Grove, and together with my team at Seifu, we create functional fashion. Last year we brought our first project to life on Kickstarter, the Switch Bag. The simplest and most stylish way to bring your Switch with you everywhere you go. And with the help of the Kickstarter community and Nintendo Switch fans from around the world, we were able to bring 3 versions of our bag to life. 2 cloth versions, including the Pro Bag and the standard Switch Bag, and a deluxe handmade leather bag like this one. This is my personal bag. It's a vintage color scheme. Right now, Kickstarter is doing their Make 100 campaign, where they encourage creators to release limited editions of 100 units. Now, since our deluxe bags are handmade, that works out perfect for us. So we're happy to take this opportunity to introduce 2 new colors. Burgundy, and I'm going to do some trickery here, ultramarine blue. Both crafted from the same fine waterproof leather and finished with our custom silver hardware. We're also going to do another production run of our chocolate colored deluxe bag. These bags are hand finished and sport our antique brass hardware. Chocolate was the most popular deluxe color in our previous Kickstarter, and we wanted to give people another chance to get a hold of one of these great bags. Our bags are held closed by metal studs. They're easy to open, lined with a black suede lambskin, and the screen of your Switch is protected by a removable center divide that holds 12 games. And since it's removable, it means you can take it out and replace it with something else, like this optional lens divider that we made, so you can use your Switch bag as a mirrorless camera bag. The deluxe bag looks great with any outfit, whether you're dressing up or dressing down. Thanks again for your time and your interest in our project. We really appreciate your support. If you're an existing Seifu customer, welcome back. We're happy that you're interested in an additional switch bag. If you're new to Seifu, we know that you're going to love this bag. We've put a lot of thought into it, and we put a lot of effort into the quality. Feel free to ask us any questions in the comments or send us an email, hello@seifu.jp, and we'll get back to you within a day. Thank you very much.